Hello, I'm going to show you how to join a server on your Discord without receiving an invite link. First, make sure to download your Discord app on your Google Play Store. Then, after installing, you can create an account by tapping register. Then, you can see on my screen that I don't have any friends yet because this is a new account. You can click this plus sign here and tap join a server. Then you can type here https discord.gg/Selena and tap add server. Then accept the invite. Now you are part of Selena's server. That's all. Thank you for watching.